Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Outlook open links with Chrome instead of Edge. This is incredibly useful if Chrome is your preferred browser and you're tired of links automatically opening in Edge every time you click them from your emails. Let's get this sorted out. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure everything is fully loaded before we move forward. This step is important because we want to ensure your Outlook is running properly and ready to respect the changes we're about to make to your system settings. Once your emails have loaded, here's where we actually make Microsoft Outlook open links with Chrome instead of Edge. Press the Windows button on your keyboard and type in Settings, then hit Enter. This will open your Windows Settings window, which is where we control how your computer handles different types of files and links. From your Windows settings, look for the search bar at the top of the window and type in Default Apps. Click on the Default Apps option when it appears. This section is crucial because it controls which programs your computer uses by default for different tasks, like opening web links, playing music, or viewing photos. From the Default Apps settings, look for the Web Browser option and click on it. This is where your system currently has Edge set as the default browser, which is why Outlook has been opening links in Edge instead of Chrome. When you click on the web browser option, you'll see a list of all the browsers you have installed on your system. From this list, select Google Chrome. The moment you select Chrome, your system will automatically update its default browser setting. Now, any link you click in Microsoft Outlook, or anywhere else on your computer for that matter, will open in Google Chrome instead of Edge. The change takes effect immediately, so there's no need to restart Outlook or your computer. You can go back to Outlook and test it out by clicking any link in your emails, and you'll see it opens directly in Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default browser, so Microsoft Outlook now opens links with Chrome instead of Edge. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.